Hello and welcome. Today we are going to explore how to add a brand slider to your Shopify store. Having a logo slider on your store can build trust with customers. Let's dive right into the process. First, open your Shopify admin page and click on Add Apps. Then navigate to the All Recommended Apps and click on Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Image Slider. Select the Image Slider Pro app and install it to your store. Once the application is installed, let's start creating a slider. Click on Create Slider, insert your slider name, and click Submit. Choose the device view, whether it's for desktop or mobile or both. Let's click All and start inserting brand logos you are collaborating with. Next, click on Go to Slider. Here, you can add captions, tags, and links to the image if needed. For now, let's leave them as it is and proceed to the next step. Click on the setting option on the top of the screen and customize the brand slider. First, select the display mode, pop-up display or inline display. Then set the image order and choose the number of images you want to display. Customize the background and the text color in the slider setting. And adjust the style as desired in the style setting. Once you finish customizing the image slider setting, click on Save. Finally, let's install and publish our image slider to our store. Go to the top corner of your screen and click on Install. You can install it in two different ways. By installing the slider to the page, or by selecting the section manually, like the header, footer, or the template section. Let's use the first method. Before that, let's activate our image slider application to our theme. Click on Theme Editor. Turn on this button. Then save the changes and go back to the previous page. Next, select on the page where you wish to display your image slider. I want to put it on the contact page. Then click Install. And as you can see, the image slider has been successfully installed. Let's go to our Shopify store and check the image slider. Click on the contact because we select the contact page to display the image slider. As you can see, the image slider is inserted successfully. Thank you for watching.